Hello, and welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. Today, I'll be walking you through the Team Access section, where you can manage your team members, assign roles, and control who has access to different parts of your account. To begin, click on Invite Team Member. This opens a page where you can enter the email addresses of your team members. You can start by adding them manually, simply typing in one or more addresses into the field provided. This is useful when you're inviting just a few members and want to control exactly who gets access. You can even double-check each address before sending out the invitation to avoid mistakes. But if you're managing a larger team and want to save time, there's also the Import CSV option, which allows you to upload a file with multiple email addresses all at once. After uploading, the system will list out every email found in your file, so you can clearly review them. Here, you have the chance to remove any addresses you don't want to include. Once you're satisfied, simply click the Send Invite button, and the invitations will be sent to all the selected team members. Once the invitations are sent, you are taken to the Team Members page. Here you can see the list of your team members, and right beside each member you'll find quick action icons to copy the invite link, resend the invite, or delete an invite. There's also a status column that shows which invitations are still pending and which team members have already accepted. Now, let's look at how a team member accepts an invitation. The invited member can simply go to their email inbox and click on the invitation link. Once they click, a new tab opens where the system immediately confirms their invitation. After that, the team member can proceed by clicking on the login button. Next, they'll need to return to their email to retrieve the login credentials that were sent. While doing this, they can simply copy the username and password provided. It's always a good idea to double-check that the details are copied correctly. And remember, if the email doesn't appear right away, it might be sitting in the spam or promotions folder. Once they have the credentials, they can paste them on the login page, hit sign in, and just like that, they're inside the platform. Now, let's head back to the Team Access page. Here, you'll notice that for every team member who has accepted the invitation, there's an Add Permission icon right beside their name. When you click on this icon, a permissions panel opens up, allowing you to choose exactly what level of access that member should have. For example, you can give them access to manage the dashboard, handle calls, work with leads, or even manage campaigns. You don't have to give full access to everyone. Simply select the areas that are relevant for each team member. This way, you maintain control while still allowing your team to collaborate effectively inside the system. For this example, let's set the permissions for Manage Dashboard and Manage Leads. Once selected, the team member will only have access to these areas, while everything else remains restricted. You'll also see a quick notification confirming the update. Now, let's switch over to the team member's login and check what access they've been given. You'll notice the interface is ready, but their access is limited compared to a full account. As you can see, the user now only has access to the leads section. Whenever they try to open other areas, the system returns an error, clearly showing that they don't have permission. This way, you can keep full control over what each team member can and cannot do, ensuring security and proper role management. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.